Before you start, ensure both surfaces to be joined are clean and free of any loose dust and chippings. Using a small paintbrush, coat an even application of adhesive to fully cover the cut edge of the worktop and also the back of the laminate edging strip. Allow the adhesive to become touch dry before bringing the two surfaces together. Drying time depends on the ambient temperature. It usually takes around 20 to 30 minutes. Bring the two surfaces together. Start at one end of the strip and work toward the other, applying pressure and making sure no air is trapped. Clean up immediately with cold water. Contact adhesive is quick and easy to use, creating an instant bond.